ABABWATANIA b'ekyama ya JUBILEE korwase kaunti ya Nyamira nigo baereire okogokirwa kwabo komwaziri omukoro w'oburendi bw'oime Dr. Fred Matiang'i kwabo omokonyi w'ekyama ekyo nabo igo ogochikorwanirira ekirugo ky'oborai bwense gwetera ase ekyama ya JUBILEE au kwana chinga kibatwara egeikaro ase ensemo ya Nyansiongo nigo boigo baganirie abantu kwerikia Kobwata chikura ase obonge elio gocha gochitumika Today
we have gathered here as the members from Nyamira County at large, and we have come here specifically just to thank the former president, the former president Honorable Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, for appointing Dr. Fred Matiang'i, our son from the region, as the deputy party leader and as a presidential aspirant. Jubilee Party, we are very much happy because our son, Dr. Fred Matiang'i, is the best candidate. Jubilee Party is a party that has been tested. Jubilee Party is a party that has so many rooms to accommodate all people from the country. So he is the best candidate who is loved everywhere in this region. In fact, William Ruto, now it is not Kenyans versus you. It is Kenyans versus the statement that you made. Because when somebody has died, in fact it is very bad just to say that I don't have a competitor. That one, we want to say we as the community of Omogusi, we don't support that one.
We are here as Nyamira people. Na ndege ntokia Nyamira gege twateba iga. Kwa twakere mbuya mono ekiama gya Jubilee ekitore delegates koru Nyamira County. Ase ogochora omonto ito oyo korokunga Fred Matiang'i bune party leader yeito.
Next, we Jubilee Party, we fight with wisdom, we don't fight with force.
Onongo sababa saibons pi morocho bugambi butegete gwoncho leli tutegete gusira abana baito barabake aba saibons pi babwate bibande babwate chikura morocho bono Jubilee ya nkobori tore keroge kekenene koruchubili
aseti notice nere yasogete nande togosaba abantu baitu bosipi nomba libatugutete bibande bagende baegwe ebibande ase free of charge because egente kinkia betegazetedi ase Kenya gazeti
Nyamira totangane sengencho OBORAI Matiang'i no akoruga
Abakenya baitabire korukere nsinyogo bagotebanga nabagusimura asarie na intu abagusi ntorigo saria abangina bwata yuoro omwana noyo ito naende gotogotebanga obwato mwabokoraki obwatu kobokochaka.